Hi everybody and welcome to this week's video. What am I doing in this video?
You're doing nothing in this video.
Yeah, true. Granddad's doing everything. So my dad had this idea to make the bench seats out of Howdens kitchen cabinets, which actually worked out really well because they're already finished really nicely, so I don't need to paint them, and they're nice and strong. The price we were paying for wood, it was so expensive anyway. It was cheaper to buy 2 cabinet shells than it was to buy the wood to make the bench seats. So in this video you'll see us making the bench seats out of Howdens kitchen cabinets that we bought. So next to the bench seats is going to be the bed frame. So we're going to be making the side of the bed with a 500 by 500 hole into the garage, with also a slide out table. So you'll see us installing and plumbing in the sink and the shower. You'll see us installing the gas flue. What was it you did? Let's turn it round. So Jack had a very important part to play in this video. Jack, tell them what you did.
The hoovering.
That's right. Right, let's build these bench seats. Scribing it into the wall. And now for the side of the bed. So here we're cutting out the 500 by 500 door that will go into the garage. the first coat of paint. And for Jack's all-important contribution, so here we're just cutting out this part of the frame to make way for the boot. And now to install the gas flue. This is the Truma Combi 4E boiler. Just fitting some heating vents. Right, let's move on to the plumbing. We are installing the shower threshold. We've started the process for the MAPE tanking kit, which waterproofs the shower area. And here is the wall cladding sheet from Hygienic Plastic going in. Doing some scribing using brown paper. And now to install the shower. And now for the kitchen sink. Here is the plumbing for the sink in the cab. And here is the plumbing all finished. The bench seats are in and the side of the bed. The shower. And this is under the bed so far. And now to fill up the water tank for the first time. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you again next time. Take care.